Hi, I'm Marina, and I've created a course called High Performing Happy Teams, in which I teach how to create high-performing and happy teams. With over 15 years of experience in the technology sector, I've seen it all. And I've compiled in a short course all of the things you need in order to make your teams more higher performing and happier. I included two bonuses in this course that I think you'll like a lot. The first one is a section specifically to talk about remote, hybrid, and virtual workers or virtual workforce. This is because given the pandemic, a lot of people are gone remote and there's a lot of challenges with remote work. So I want to make sure we had a special place in mind for that type of work or this type of teams. The second thing I've included is template and examples of real life tools that I've used and other leaders throughout the organizations I've worked or have used in order to manage high performing and happy teams. So it's these two bonuses plus a full lecture course of short videos that you can watch anytime. I would like to invite you to join me in this course and learn about how to make your teams happier and higher performing. I hope to see you soon. Okay, that's the long version. This is the short version of the promotion. Hi, my name is Marina, and I have created a course called High Performing Happy Teams, in which I will teach you just that. In this course, I've included a special section about virtual or remote teams, and also I've included templates and example from real life tech companies, the tools they've used in order to manage high performing and happy teams. I hope you join me and we'll see each other in the course.